In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on the LinkedIn app. If you've shared something on LinkedIn and later decided you want to remove it, the good news is that the process is very quick and simple. Whether the post is outdated, has a mistake, or you just no longer want it visible on your profile, you can delete it directly from the app in just a few taps. To get started, open the LinkedIn app and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top right corner and tap on Me. This will take you to the section where you can manage your profile and activity. After that, select Posts and Activity. This area shows the content connected to your profile, including posts you've shared. Take a moment to scroll until you find the specific post you want to remove. If you've posted a lot recently, it may help to move slowly so you don't accidentally open the wrong one. When you've found the post you want to delete, tap the three dots icon on that post. This opens a menu with more options related to that piece of content. The three dots menu is where LinkedIn keeps actions like editing, sharing, or removing a post, so this is the key place to access the delete option. From the menu that appears, select Delete Post. Once you tap that, LinkedIn may ask you to confirm your choice. If it does, go ahead and confirm the deletion. This helps prevent posts from being removed by accident, so it's a good idea to quickly double-check that you've selected the correct one before you continue. And that's all. The post will be removed from your LinkedIn profile and will no longer be visible to others. One quick tip before you finish. Deleting a post is permanent, so if there's any text, link, or image you may want to use again later, consider saving it somewhere first before removing it. That way you won't have to recreate it from scratch. As you can see, deleting a post on the LinkedIn app is a straightforward process. Just go to Me, open Posts and Activity, tap the three dots on the post you want to remove and choose Delete Post. Once you've done that, you're all set.